Morning, guys. We're back at it again for our second turkey hunt. We're at the same property. We're going to use the same blind. We didn't really have time this week to change anything up, so hopefully the turkeys are going to be out there today. All right, guys. We just set up. We got here a little late, but we got about 10 minutes till shooting time. So we're just getting comfy in the blind. And what are we hoping for?
Tom.
A big Tom to come out? Say hi? Yeah, it's all right. We'll catch you when turkeys get here. Are you watching?
I'm watching.
Can you see them?
I hope Tom or Jake.
We want that big one in the back.
We finally got a dog. We finally got a dog, Dad.
Yeah, so there's a couple of Jakes in the front here. But there's a long beard, but he's going wide.
Quick, it's a Tom.
We can probably take this Jake.
What? We need a Tom. What's the name of the Tom?
The Tom's staying pretty far away. Are you seeing them?
Yeah.
They're right there. Cover your face. Shh, they can see us. Don't move.
Let's get the Tom.
I can get this Jake that's in front of us. The Tom's going way out far.
Okay.
Should I take the Jake?
Yep.
Or should we wait?
We should get the Jake. Guys, our first turkey. I want to see you.
Cover your face. They're gonna walk away, buddy.
Wait.
Should I shoot the Jake?
Yes.
Cover your ears. Cover your ear.
Go get Hey, Dad. What the exciting part was the turkey. The most exciting part is getting the turkey down.
Get the turkey down. Come on, let's go see it.
Ooh, look at it. But that was the next shot, Dad.
Don't worry about the shot, buddy. Is that a bird?
Yep.
Nice. First turkey hunt. Second time out. We got a small Jake down. How you feeling?
Right.
Great about it? Yeah. Look, you got a small beard. Some pretty much non-existent spurs. We got about a 1/8 of an inch. That's all right. Yes, he's a small bird, but hey,
At least we got one.
at least we got one.
Oh, look at. Maybe we could weigh how much it feels.
Yeah.
Like, hey, Dad, we can't forget to spread the fan.
Gotta spread the fan. Come over here.
That's massive. That's massive.
It's a fan. All right, can you hold the fan down here? Well, I need to see your face though. All right, let's get in there. All right, let's see. Get banded out a little bit more. All the way. Oh.
Oh, come on. Come on.
Here, 1 second. Let me help you. Don't. Okay, let go. Okay, you want to grab down there and fan it out. But you got to look up. All right. How you feeling?
Great.
You super excited? You
The
gonna
next turkey hunt tomorrow.
next turkey hunt's tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah. We got a nice Jake here.